Alright, go! Hit that stupid can. You gotta hit it hard, Sam. You're a baby. Pick it up and, like, sling it down. Come on, do you know how we do? You're the dumbest person I know. Maybe it wasn't gonna work like I thought it was.
Maybe we should use this side.
Yeah, good.
Like, puncture it.
Oh yeah, that was amazing.
That didn't do anything.
I thought. Good thing we're not in my driveway.
Oh my god,
Sam,
you could do that.
Bye bye. Do you want to go find some more cans of shit in my garage?
Here, hold this. Ow, it's really hurting my wrist.
No, put it down.
Okay.
Yeah, like I want to carry the sledgehammer. We'll just put it in the thing.
Your mom's gonna come out here. You guys see?
Yeah, leave it in my driveway. Good idea, Sam.
What about the sledgehammer? Go get it.
No, it's staying in there. We're gonna go find some more shit to bust open.
We could do a shell.
Oh, that's exciting.
Shut up, it is. Just smash it in little pieces.
No, we need like something like compressed air, so when you do it, like it explodes.
Like a Mountain Dew or something?
Yeah, let's waste a perfectly delicious Mountain Dew on that shit.
Hey, what about Fresca?
Fresca's just as good. My dad's workbench. Bust a candle. Do you remember that one time that we busted those candles out in your yard?
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck is this thing? Pokemon. Pokemon.
What about Fresca? Ow.
I don't knock anything over. That'd be bad.
Oh my god, my wrist hurts so bad right now.
Alright, let's go. Here, take the fresh stuff. Do a thing of Clorox.
Oh yeah,
Good right on, Doyle.
Shake it up before and that's it. So it's like,
Great explanation. Samantha.
we drop it.
Sam. Sam. And out here. And we're picking up that stinky can too. Stank a leg. This is a stinky can.
I shouldn't use my left wrist. I don't care what the fucking doctor says. I do not have tendinitis. It's something worse.
Yeah, go. Oh god, I gotta stand back from this. Heck yeah! That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
It's not even cool for it. It just got all over me. Ew! Man, I can't wear this jacket anymore.
Anyway, you want some Fresca? I gotta find somewhere to chunk this.
Ew, this is disgusting. Morgan, look. I have Fresca all over me right now. Look. Look, it's all in my hair. That's disgusting. I'm not going to be able to wear this jacket. Like,
Okay. Tut tut tut. Bye.